This week we'll be talking about chord. And what is chord? Chord is the harmony. Chord is combination of two or more notes played at the same time. All right, so we have major chords, we have minor chords, we have diminished, augmented chords, 7 chords. But for today, we are going to talk about triad chord. Just as the name implies, triad means 3. So that means 3 notes chord. That's notes that chord that consist of 3 notes. That's what we are going to consider today. And we'll try to consider in different qualities, like the major, the minor, what makes it major, what makes it minor. And I've really been using key C to make illustration, but today I'm gonna make the illustration with key D. So I'm gonna use all the degree of D major to form a chord, and then we work out together to see if it's major, minor, diminished, augmented. That's what we are going to do today. And let's see. Okay, so we are going to use the treble clef. And D major is a key with 2 sharps. Okay, now D major consists of D, right? E, F, G, A, B, C, and back to D. This is D major, right? So we are going to form a chord from this scale. These are the note combination in the key of D major. Okay, so we are going to form triad chord. And remember I said we are going to discuss on triad, which are 3 notes combination chord. Okay, triad is spelled the roots. Triad is made up of the roots, the 3rd, and the 5th. Now I'm going to explain. Just like the interval, the same thing is applicable on triad. I'm going to explain that. I'm going to show you where the root is. Now, triad is made up of roots. Root is 1. 3rd. From here to here is a 3rd because it's 1, 2, 3. This is a 3rd. From here to here is a 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can say thirds. So this is from here to here is a 3rd. From here to here is still a 3rd. But no, take it this way, so that when we are going to inversion you won't be confused. So triad is made up of the roots, 3rd, and the 5th. So this is D major triad. So now this is okay. We are going to know if it's major or minor. Let me not be in a haste with you, because this is the foundation to where we are going. Now let's keep forming triad chord from all the scale. Now this one is E. We said triad is formed the root, the 3rd, and 5th. So roots, 3rd, and 5th. Roots, 3rd, and 5th. Roots, 3rd, and 5th. Roots, 3rd, and 5th. Same thing here. Here too, and here too. Okay, that is D, F, Okay, so we are going to consider if these triads are major triad, minor, diminished, augmented, or whatever triad it is. So that's what we are going to consider for today. I hope you're following. Let me be sure you're seeing. So we are done with the first step. Now what we are going to consider next is the quality of each of these triads. Now from the interval we just finished, D to F, this, remember, this is not just F but F sharp. D to F sharp is what? Is it a major third or minor third? So D to, okay, let's use chromatic starting on, okay, today chromatic will start on D. So D, F sharp, okay. All right, so this is the root, the third, and the fifth, which we say. So now D to F sharp, let's see, so that we know when we can have a minor or a major triad. Now D to F, let's see, 1 2 3 4 consists of 4 semitones. So 4 semitones was what? Was a major third. So that means we have a major third. Plus, now let's see, from here now, I'm starting from here now, F sharp to A, let's see, F sharp to A, F sharp 1 2 3 is a minor third, right? So major third plus a minor third will give you major triad. Please take note of this. Let me show you again. Major third, this is D to this, the roots to third, major third, plus the third to fifth is a third too. So, and this third now is a minor third, plus a minor third will give you a major triad chord, major triad. So that means, in other words, today we are going to consider the Roman numeral 2. So in this scale now, this is chord 1, this is going to be chord 2 small. Okay, let's work out to know if it's small later, and we keep moving like that. Chord 1, why is it capital Roman numeral? Is because the first chord here is a major chord. Okay, so this first chord now is a major chord, so it's, you have to give it a cap later. All right, then now let's consider the second one, E to G. Let's see, E to G, this is E, 1 2 3. E to G is a minor third, so minor third, plus, now let's see, G to B, G 1 2 3 4, that is 4 semitone. What type of interval was that? Was it a major or minor? You see, if you don't understand interval, please don't stress yourself with the chord, because while I go there. So 4 semitone was a major third. So minor third plus a major third will give you minor triad. So which means this chord now is going to be small letter. Minor is small letter, major is cap Roman numeral. So major and minor give you a major triad, minor and major give you a minor triad. Okay, now let's see the next one. We have here F sharp to A, F sharp to A, F sharp 1 2 3 is a minor, right? That's minor. Let's see if it's part of these two. Now A to C, let's see, A to C, are we there? A to C, this is C sharp now, so this is A, 1 2 3 4 is a major triad, so it's still minor plus major third. So that means this 3 is still going to be minor. Okay, In other words, this is D, capital D. This is E minor. Even in contemporary, or if you browse online and you see these symbols, this abbreviation, this word, that's what it means. Now, in other words, this is F sharp minor. F sharp minor. Now let's see the next one, what it's gonna be. Are we ready? I hope you're seeing. Okay. Now let's see the next one. This is G to B. G to B, is it a major third or G? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a major third, right? Now B to D. B to D, is it? So that's a major third. Now B to D, let's see. This is B to D. 1, 2, 3. It's a minor third because 3 semitones is a minor. So that means major plus minor. That means what we are going to have is going to be a major triad. So in other words, which means 4, you're going to give it a capital letter. So which means this is G major chord. G major chord. Well, this is E minor chord. This is F sharp minor chord. Hope you're following us. Okay. Then the next one, let's see. This is A to C sharp. Let's see A to C sharp. A, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a major third, major triad. Major triad. Let's see if it's gonna give us this. Now, C sharp to E. Let's see C sharp to E. C sharp to E. This is C sharp. 1, 2, 3. It's a minor. So major plus minor is gonna give us a major triad. So that means this chord is capital chord. Now, looking at this, you will see that we've had our primary chords from this scale. Now this is B to D. Let's see B to D, because we want to figure out something. B to D. Let's see B to D. Where's B? B to D. 1, 2, 3. It's a minor third. Now D to F sharp. Let's see D to F sharp. 1, 2, 3. Major. So minor plus major is gonna give us. So in other words, this is A major chord. This is B minor chord. Then let's see the next one. C sharp to E. C sharp. This is C sharp to E. 1, 2, 3. It's a minor third. Then E to G. Let's see E to G. E, 1, 2, 3, minor. So that means we have another one. Minor third plus minor third equal to. When you have two minor third and minor third, this is going to give you diminished triad. So that means this chord is small with degree. This degree signifies diminished. So, and this is back to chord 1 in octave, which is still chord 1. So in other words, this chord is called C sharp diminished. Do you understand this step? Then before we go, let me okay, in our next class I'm going to show you how augmented looks like, and in our next class we are moving to chord inversion and figure bass, and how to figure out the figure bass. You got it? Alright, so for today I said this is chord 1 consists of a major third and a minor third. Will give you a major triad. Minor third, this is how we get it. Major third is from here to here is a third. From here becomes 1 again, to here is a third again. Same thing applicable to all of this. And if you study this, you're good. In any key, this use the same formula. So it's just for you to study and know, oh, what I'm stucking, is it a minor third, is it a major third? Oh, and with that, you're good. All right, enjoy yourself.